Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 3rd July. And first of all, national news. Adani's Mundra port anchors container ship the size of 4 football fields. Railways report on Odisha train tragedy points to human error. Ajit Pawar became deputy to 3 different chief ministers in 4 years. High Court likely to pass order tomorrow, means on 3rd July, on petition against withdrawal of Rs 2000 notes. Downpour in parts of Gujarat. Dharampur in Valsad got 234 mm in 24 hours. Monsoon session Rajya Sabha meet from July 20 to August 11. Now international news. Hundreds more arrested in riot hit France, scores of buildings set on fire. Ukraine's Kyiv targeted in overnight drone attack, first in 12 days. Now some sports news. Quality has not been Sourav Ganguly's sharp take on India-Pakistan rivalry. Patham Nishanka century booked Sri Lanka's ICC World Cup 2023 spot. MS Dhoni got Man of the Match award for dropping 2 catches. Saeed Azmal vents out frustration. Usman Khwaja in heated exchange with MCC members inside Lord's long room. Tushar Deshpande replaced injured Chetan Sakaria in West Zone squad for the Leap Trophy. Now news related to business. Could be creating a new HDFC Bank every 4 years after merger. MD Sashidhar Jagdishan. GST officers burst 304 syndicates involving Rs 25,000 crore fake ITC claims. Aim to double every 4 years, HDFC Bank Managing Director after merger. GST helped increase revenue, buoyancy of states, FM set. Now news related to science. Study found new subtype of depression that can't be treated by medication. The Space Telescope's first mission unraveled the universe's dark mysteries. And that's all in news. Thank you.